In this very quick video guide, I want to show you how you can use Google Lens that you probably have already installed on your computer to make a search via image. So it's like searching images in Google, but you're going to find some correspondence between the image that you're looking for and the image which are already on the web. So with Google Lens you can find anything that's gonna be similar to the picture that you're taking. Perhaps you are walking around the streets, you're curious about something, you can take a picture and you can do an image search, or you have it already on your gallery. Now, first of all, you need to have Google Lens installed in your smartphone, whether it is an Android phone or an iPhone or others. And this is the icon here. So if you don't have it, just go into Google Play, look for Google Lens and click here to install it. In my case, I've already installed it, so I just need to open it up from the home page here. So I'm gonna click here and this is my lens, and I want to do a research, for example, with this graphic. You can also use raster images or vector graphics, anything that can be uploaded or downloaded on your folders here in your smartphone. So for example, I will use this one here, which is a logo. I can look for example, similar logos that are on the web or similar graphics that I can find. There you go. So I can check if there is something similar or not. And again, I can do other searches. You can click here and drag this up and see real quick what are the similar assets on the web. And you can do this real quick, as you saw. Okay, now another way you can use this is with pictures. So I'm gonna use my desktop of the smartphone here, for example. So of course it's gonna detect that this is a Android phone, and it's gonna show me something similar, which is on, well, actually snapshots from other smartphones. So if I bring this down again and I can fix these, for example, I can take these handles and make the area of interest a little bit smaller so that I can only focus on that background there. And look at that, it's gonna find out that this is like a landmark in Iceland. And so it's gonna give me all similar images, and probably it's gonna find the exact image there, which it's again the background of my phone, so it should be somewhere there. But it's also finding similar like clouds and background and so on. So it's looking for anything that can be exactly that image or something really close and really similar. And that's it. So this is a pretty interesting and useful tool that you can use for many reasons, and this is another way you can use it. You can, well, just go here in Google Play and look all the things that you can do with Google Lens. You can basically find anything via image and not by searching words or doing the classic Google search. So this will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to support us, please join. You can also leave your questions and suggestions in the comments, anything that can be helpful or useful for the community. So check also our other video guides and other videos. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one.